Hello, in this video we will take you through our nesting exporter and all of the settings that can be utilized in MyNesting and NestFab. Here we have our finished nest. We are happy with the result, so let's go and see what export options we wish to use. First, we will explore the parts on a single layer option. Here we can create a new layer for all of our nested parts to be placed on. Normally, we would be happy maintaining the layers generated in our part creation. However, some CAM software requires the cut parts to be on their own layer. We can also generate a specific name for this newly created layer. Some CAM software requires nests to be orientated in a specific manner. We are able to do this with our nest orientation setting. We can set to 0, 90, 180, and 270 degree rotations. The Add Parts Label option generates a label for each part from their name and attaches it on a separate layer. These labels are not intended to be toolpath, which is why they are separate from the parts layer. Nesta Sistex adds a small box at the bottom left of your nests with the efficiency, cut distance, sheet size, quantity of nest repetitions, and the number of parts contained within the nest. The Output Sheets option allows us to use our nests as a negative and re-nest on any partially used sheets. We do this by enabling the Output Sheet option and exporting the nest. We then go back into the Sheets tab and import the nest from DXF. We set the sheet layer to cut and the parts layer to cut. We can now nest some more parts into the remaining space on our sheet. This option is also useful if we need to set our sheet as a reference point in our CAM software. We can export the nests using basic lines and arcs or by using polylines. We have these options to ensure our exported nests are compatible with your CAM software. Exporting your parts as blocks creates a block record for each part and builds the nest using these blocks. This is helpful if we need to make small changes to our parts after nesting. For example, a label on a part can be edited once in the block and applied across all instances of the part in the nest. Exporting your nests as blocks converts your nest into block entities. Removing common edges is a useful option when we are using certain zero-gap cutting machines like knife CNC machines. We can change our exported units here from millimeters to inches and from inches to millimeters. We are able to select which exported DXF version we require. Exporting as AutoCAD 2000 should be suitable for most applications. If you have any problems importing the nest, try an earlier DXF version from the drop-down menu. It is useful to export your nest multiple times using different settings in order to find the perfect combination. After spending your credit in MyNesting, you can export as many times as you wish within the same session. These export settings are the same for MyNesting and NestFab. If you have any questions regarding the topics covered, please contact us using either of the methods on screen. Thank you for watching.